Yeah, thank you everyone for being here. Today we are going to look how to store data on the Firestore in the new version. Yes, we have successfully installed it. Sorry for some gaff. And at first I want to show you what I have done already. And PM start. You can see here I have made a user demo form, which you can see here at user form. I have made it using the Meta UI. You can use it by using Bootstrap, Telnet, anything, or simple HTML also. It's not the big matter, and you should also have the knowledge of UG state and event handling. All things are already maintained here. It is in the state that when you fill up the form data here, it is only for the demo purpose, so no any checkings are done here. When you do submit and when we do inspect, when you do submit, here is the object that is coming here. Now our main target is to store this data address, bio, email, etc. these data into Firestore. Yeah, so now we have already imported Firestore in our React app. Now let's go to the Firestore, Firebase. Sorry, going to the Firebase. It look like this, and we should get started. I have already one project, but here you can create another too. We are creating another for your tutorial. Enter the project name. We will do user response save. Anything you can put it here and enable it. Nothing will happen. Select an account, default Firebase account. Create a project. It will take a while. Yeah, we have successfully created it. Now your project is ready. Continue. We have in this interface. Now at first we should initialize the Firebase in our React we are creating. Get started by adding the Firebase to your app. Yes, we are creating a web app, so go to the web app, add a my web app name is user USPUN user response tracker. We are giving is user response tracker. You can it or not, it's not compulsory. Register app. We have already done this. Yeah, and next continue to console. Yeah, now we should embed this Firebase DB to our React app. For doing so, we are going to the settings, project setting, and here we will see that this is the code for embedding the initializing the Firebase to our app, React app. So copy it and yeah, copy it. It is, sorry, we are copying it. So copy it to here, Control C, and we are pasting it in our root file app. Control V. Yes. After this, we should copy the imports to. Control C. Control V. Yeah. Now we have the successfully copied the configuration. Now we should do initialize the Firebase config through this code. Yeah. Control C. Control V. Now we have successfully initialized the Firebase in our project, but we want to store in this Firestore database. Yeah, we want to store the data in Firestore database. So create a database, start in the test mode. It will be valid for 30 days. Next, it will be anywhere we can store it. Central US. Okay, enable. It will take some time. Now we are ready with our Firestore database, that is user response save, and here we can start the collection. Yeah, according to our form, we should. Yeah, we can see the form here, and now we have Firebase 9.6. We have Firebase 9.6. So it is the new Firebase. It is confusing to add the data. We are adding data in this, where we are here, and we have initialized the Firebase already. After the initialization, we should initialize the Firestore tool. For the purpose of initializing the Firestore, we should import get Firestore. Const db equals to get Firestore get Firestore of app. Yeah, it is telling you that get Firestore is not imported, so import it. Import get Firestore. Sorry. Get Firestore from Firebase / Firestore / Lite. We have successfully get the database of Firestore. Now pass it as params. db equals to db. Pass it here. Yeah, the user form. It will come here as props. Yeah. Now when save changes in this button. And this button is one click save changes. In save changes, we should make this save change as the async function. Since we should make it async function, since it will return the promise. Yeah. Now we haven't set the fields in Firebase, so we start a collection. Yeah, customer responsive, start a collection ID, US year user SPONSC, save. Yeah, next field name, add field, address, add field. What we have other? We have phone number, add field. We have occupation, add field. Let's see what we have other. Occupation, email, add field, and finally bio. Now create ID and save it. Yeah, we have started the collection. User response save in our Firebase database. Yeah, in this DB, where you can see that in this DB, in this database DB, we have created that collection. Now in user form, save change async function, because it is returning promise. Now we are going to store the data there. So at first we are inputting the things that are needed. Yeah, what we need to input is collection and add documents to be imported from Firebase/Firestore/Lite. Now in the save change, we have removed the console already. Now await, add document, it will take reference comma data. What is the reference? Reference to the DB. Reference to the DB means collection. Here is data DB is PROPS props.data, props.db. Yeah, in props DB is coming from app.js here DB. Yeah. Where we are here at the here props.dd comma, and our file name is, what is our collection name? User response save. Control C, Control V, and our data is like this. Data is name, name is profile dot name, because I have set name in profile. I have set name in profile dot name from home. Address, profile dot address, bio, profile dot bio, email, profile dot email, phone number. This data should be, this name, address, bio should be same as we have declared in the Firebase database. Yeah, profile dot phone number, and occupation, profile dot occupation. Yeah. Now finally it is done. Now since it is a form, it will return us that then after the data is kept there, that then it will give us the function response. It will give us the response. We will give alert data is successfully added, that catch function error. It will give anything I can write here, error alert data can be added. Yeah, now we are compiling it. Compiled. Yeah, it is successfully run. Now let's see whether it is saved or not. Yeah, user response save. Yeah. Now let's go here. Here is no data. As you see that there is no data. Now go to our form. Keep name as this, address as this, phone number as this, email as this, phone number as this, and email as this, question as this, and bio something. Submit. Data is added successfully. Now go to our Firebase. Yeah, here. Yeah, data is added. Now let's try another one. Name Alice, address Japan, phone number 9898, email, occupation, bio, occupation teacher, bio, I am Alice. Yeah, submit. Added successfully. Here, yeah, Alice. I am Alice, Japan. Yeah, we have got it successfully according to the alphabetical order. Okay, thank you. Do like this video if you like it, and share it, comment it. Thank you.